and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Says Goa Workers Union calls for a meeting on 15 January. Workers Union to discuss employees' layoff issue. Union government to speed up process of e-auctioning. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh rules out third term in UPA, clears way for Rahul Gandhi, says Modi will be a disaster as Prime Minister. BJP reacts sharply. Crime Branch questions NSUI Vice President Sunil Kautankar on Churchill's alleged PWD tender scam, asked him to produce additional documents. NEERI visits Mines Pollution Control Board and Water Resources Department, asks for data to recommend quantum of extraction of iron ore. And India prepare for International Baseball Series. Japanese coach provides expertise to improve technique of Indian players. And now the news in detail. Says Goa Workers Union has called for a meeting on 15 January to discuss about layoff issue. Says Goa Limited laid off 1,423 employees, stating financial crisis due to ban on mining activities in the state. General Secretary of Says Goa Workers Union requested company to employ the workers in other unit. Union requested central and state government to speed up e-auctioning of extracted iron ore.
आता डिसिजन घेतला आम्ही आता एक जनरल बॉडी आम्ही स्वतः आमचे इंटरनल युनियन आमच्याकडे प्रोफेशनल असो लीडर कोण ना आम्ही लीडर नी आम्ही एक कामगारांचे रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह आणि आम्ही का प्रत्येक गोष्ट आम्ही कामगारा विचारल्याशिवाय कसलो स्टेप घेना त्यांना आम्ही आता एक एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी मीटिंग 15 जानेवारी घेवपाची ठरयल्या आणि आम्ही हो जो इश्यू आता जो कितें चालू आसा डिस्कशन चालू आहा हे आम्ही लोकांपर्यंत आमच्या कामगारांपर्यंत पावयतले आणि कामगारांची जे कितें कामगारांची व्ह्यूज येता त्याप्रमाणे आम्ही पुढे फर्दर स्टेप घेतले. आता ही नोटीस जी त्यांच्यानी गव्हर्नमेंटाने दिल्या तितून आमच्या वर्करांची ले ऑफी खातीर 405 नावां आहात. हे म्हणजे हे 400 पूण आमचो प्रयत्न आसा ही बाबा 405 लोकां भितर तरी आनी काही कमी जावंक शकता आणि म्हणजे दुसऱ्या युनिटाक खंय तरी एंगेज करू शकता आमचे कामगार आणि कंपनी बाबा तांकां पॉझिटिव्ह विचार करून थोडे खंयसर तरी लेबर कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आहात ते कमी करून आमच्या लोकांक हे करता जाल्यार हे आमचे प्रामाणिक प्रयत्न ते हेका आसतले.
Prime Minister Manmohan Singh is ready to hand over the baton to Congress's next generation leader Rahul Gandhi. Ruling out third term in the UPA, he said the party will declare the prime ministerial candidate at the right time. In 4.5 years of UPA 2, this is the only second interaction of PM with the media. While replying to a media question, he remarked that Modi as Prime Minister will be a disaster. He also opined that the alleged scams were in the tenure of UPA 1. BJP has reacted sharply on his remarks.
In a few months' time, after the general election, I will hand the baton over to a new Prime Minister. I am not going to be a candidate for the Prime Ministership if the UPA were to come back into power. Rahul Gandhi has outstanding credentials to be nominated as the presidential candidate, and I hope our party will take that decision at an appropriate time. As far as the charges of corruption are concerned, most of these charges relate to the period of UPA 1. The coal block allocations as well as the 2G spectrum allocation, they were both in the era of the UPA 1. We went to the electorate on the basis of our performance in that period. The people of India gave us the mandate to govern for another 5 years. I have full confidence that the next Prime Minister will be from the UPA coalition, and that without discussing the merits of Mr. Narendra Modi, I sincerely believe that it would be disastrous for the country to have Narendra Modi as the Prime Minister. I have every reason to believe that when history is written of this period, we will come out unscathed. This is not to say that there was no irregularities. There were irregularities, but the dimensions of the problems have been overstated by the media, by the CAG sometimes, and by other entities.
और उस व्यक्ति के संबंध में यह कहना कि उनके प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनने से यह देश बर्बाद हो जाएगा, यह बहुत ही हास्यास्पद। एसआईटी ने क्लीन चिट दे दी है, कोर्ट ने क्लीन चिट दे दी है, उसके बाद प्राइम मिनिस्टर के द्वारा इस प्रकार का स्टेटमेंट देना यह बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। और प्राइम मिनिस्टर के इस स्टेटमेंट को मैं कंडेम करता हूं, मैं इसकी निंदा करता हूं। प्रधानमंत्री जी ने यह भी स्वीकार किया है कि सत्ता के दो केंद्र हैं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी तो पहले से ही यह कहती रही है, इस प्रकार की सरकार से जिसके दो सत्ता के केंद्र हों, उससे कभी भी अच्छे कामों की अपेक्षा नहीं की जा सकती। इसका मतलब कि एक जो आज़ादी चाहिए निर्णय लेने की, वह निर्णय लेने की आज़ादी पूरी तरह से समाप्त हो जाती है।
Crime Branch questioned NSUI State Vice President Sunil Kautankar in the Churchill's alleged PWD tender scam. Crime Branch officials asked him to produce additional documents. Crime Branch had registered FIR against former State PWD Minister Churchill Alema on the basis of Kautankar's complaint. Complainant alleged that 258 tenders in Roadworks Division were illegally awarded when Churchill was PWD Minister. NSUI State Vice President and complainant in alleged 300 crore PWD tender scam, Sunil Kautankar appeared before the Crime Branch on Friday. Investigating officer DYSP Sami Tawaris asked Kautankar to produce supportive documents.
We discussed about some of more documents that are required, and I am in the process of getting more documents pertaining to the particular 258 tenders. And at the same time, he has asked for some original copies of some documents that also I will provide.
Crime Branch had registered FIR against former State PWD Minister Churchill Alemao and Executive Engineer P.T. Parker on Monday. Kautankar has alleged in his complaint that Churchill Alemao, with the help of PWD officials, cheated the government to the tune of about 300 crores by illegally awarding 258 tenders in Roadworks Division. Kautankar is demanding immediate arrest of accused.
It is a very serious offence. Looting of the state exchequer is not an ordinary offence. It is a serious offence. It is a case of cheating is there. Section 420 is there. Section 403 and 409 of public servants indulging into corruption is there. Prevention of Corruption Act Section 13 is there. So it is quite serious and he should be arrested as soon as possible.
Sunil Kautankar also apprehended that Churchill can leave the country and requested the department to impound his passport.
I have requested them is to immediately impound the passport of Mr. Churchill Alemao and P.T. Parker, who is the engineer in the PWD, as they have looted the state left, right and centre. The loot is in hundreds of crores. So it is very easy for him to run from India, and that is what will happen. If the Crime Branch doesn't impound their passports, they will run from India.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Tulsidar Chari for Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.